Hey, it's Lance McGowan, and as you can see from the background, there's a big bowl of lemons, and that's because we're talking about the doTERRA, Young Living, and Melaleuca Company's lemon essential oil in the 15 milliliter size, which is roughly 250 drops. So when it comes to the benefits of doTERRA lemon, it helps to cleanse and purify the air and surfaces, it promotes a positive mood, and supports healthy digestion. The Young Living Lemon helps to support healthy skin and has an uplifting aroma, and you can add it to your cleaning products to go green. And when it comes to Melaleuca Company's lemon, it has natural cleansing properties for surfaces and skin and has a fresh scent. And you can see from the benefits it does have carryover descriptions, but it's kind of cool to see each company describe it in their own way. And then when it comes to the uses of doTERRA lemon, it's threefold. So you can add 3 to 5 drops in the petal diffuser or 6 to 10 drops in the aroma light diffuser. You can add 2 drops per 8 ounces of RO or reverse osmosis water or alkaline water. And then you can add 1 to 2 drops with fractionated coconut oil for your skincare routine. And there's also other essential oils that go really good with a skincare routine, which I cover in some of my other videos, which you can check those out. And then when it comes to Young Living's lemon, there are two main uses. So you can use in a diffuser, that would be aromatically, and then you can dilute 1 to 2 drops with a carrier oil and apply to your skin, but make sure to avoid immediate sun exposure because it does increase photosensitivity with regards to lemon essential oil in general. And then there are two main uses for Melaleuca Company's lemon, which you'll see some similarities with Young Living, and it's diffuse aromatically, or you can dilute with a carrier oil and massage that into your chest, stomach, or face. When it comes to pricing, doTERRA Lemon Essential Oil is $13.33 retail or $10 wholesale for that 15 milliliter bottle. And again, that's roughly 250 drops. I have other videos that cover the differences between retail and wholesale, so you can check those out in the description below. And then when it comes to Young Living, an important note is that you'll need to see the Vitality line for internal use because the current lemon oil that you see in front of you does not approve of that on the bottle. And so that 5 ml bottle of the Vitality line lemon essential oil is $8.22 retail. And so you can see the prices for Young Living's is more than doTERRA's for the 15 mil, as well as if you were to kind of price out per milliliter for the 5 mil, even if you can take it internally. And then finally, Melaleuca Company's lemon does not have internal use recommendations on the label, which is important to note. And the price is $13.33 for regular members, which is the exact same as doTERRA, and $7.50 for preferred members. And there's additional things you need to do to earn that pricing, which I cover in the links in the description below. But the main thing, again, to note with this is that internal use is not recommended based on what's on the label for either of the 15 mils for Young Living as well as Melaleuca Company. Well, that concludes today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to click the like button if you did, hit subscribe for future video updates, and check out those links in the description below so you can continue to learn more about each company, whether you're already with them or you're on the fence or maybe outside looking in, so you can gain some more perspective about what each company offers. Other than that, I'll see you in the next video.